Hi, so this is the new thermal imager, UTi260K. So this thermal imager has a frame rate of 25 Hz. And some of its new features are there's a region of interest mode. So the temperature measurement will exist inside this green square. And anything outside of the green square will not get registered. So this is to avoid interference. And another interesting thing about this camera is, well, it's got all the different color palettes. You can set extra points of interest. And also there's a picture-in-picture mode. So you can see a thermal in the center and the visible camera on the outside. And another interesting thing about this camera is it has a alignment adjustment. This will adjust the Fusion camera's visible and thermal distance. So if all your objects are going to be measured at 1 meter, you can set this at 1 meter, or up to 2 meters, or greater than 3 meters. And typically we set it at 1 meter because it's the most accurate distance. This product also has the Fusion. So the Fusion will have pure visible image, 25% visible, 50-50, 75% thermal, and 100% thermal. And you can adjust accordingly. The settings are similar to the UTi-160K. You can change the language, adjust date and time, set the temperature unit, and adjust high-low temperature alert, and change the emissivity, display brightness, auto power off, and it's got device information on here as well.